So we want to add this one, this one. We don't need the data is clean, so we're just going to load.
Yes, you just need to click there.
So all the relationships are automatically established.
Do one thing.
Yeah.
Just delete all these four.
Delete which ones? I'm sorry.
This data sets.
Which one? I'm sorry. You want me to delete the lines?
This one. No, just give me the. Just don't move your mouse. Right click. Delete. Category is not there. So now I am going to minimize this. I go to the source.
Mm-hmm.
In a category, I am writing CID. Are you okay with this?
Yes.
Now I close this. I save this. Now I go to there and
then
get data from Excel. Power BI copy. So category, CID, load. So category is loaded. Look at here. It is not automatically linked.
right, because the name isn't the same, right?
Yes, because it tried to find the CID in all the data. It is not able to find the CID, although the type is same, but the heading is different. But this hardly matters for us. We need to manually join that.
Yeah.
Please
So
manually join that.
okay. Is that's not doing it, huh? Let me see.
That is right.
That's how you do it? Oh.
Done.
Okay. Okay. So it's kind of like you were
I hope you.
saying.
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. Please go ahead.
It's kind of like what you were saying earlier about, the difference between US, U dot S, U dot S dot A dot, you know what I mean? We know it's the
Yes. Yes.
same,
Yes. 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 Yes.
but it's different. So
That we have to manually map.
do you want me to create the columns
Yes. Why not? Go ahead.
just for practice? Okay. All right, so then I want my columns in here with all my, my main data. So I go to, is it table tools or column tools? Oh, well, looks like the button is in 3 places. So I go new column. And then here I can change the name. Product name. And then I can use DAX function related. And then for this one, I'll go product, close. Awesome. And then say that one more time. Category name equal to category. close. Okay. Okay. So that creates my two product name and my two new columns. I can go to Power View. And I can pie chart. Make this bigger. Okay. And so, let's see here. So I want to get category name, put that in legend, and then total, put that in value. Okay. This here. Total block S. In case. All right, and then I can also put product name.
Legend is off. Go to the detail label. One move down, detail label. Here, instead of data value and percentage, show the category and percentage drop down.
That's where it is.
Category,
Okay, yeah. That's what I was looking
category
for.
and percentage. Then make the size up.
Right. And then to click into a category.
You have to click this drill through button first, which is at the bottom of chart. Yes, click on that. First, leave it. Now click.
Okay. And then, okay, and then I can. Just out of curiosity, what if I were to add a customer to Legend?
It will come.
It'll just add it
Yes.
to the drill down.
Yes.
Can I let me check?
Just do it. Now click on this one by one. So
So,
first level is a product. Click on that.
so I'll go here.
Is a product and then customer.
Oh, so it's product and customer.
Yes.
Nice.
This facility is not available in a normal Pi when you are using a PPT.
I just got a quick question. Why? So when we added product name and we did a drill down, it just broke it down by product. But then when I added customer, it added the customers to that product level. Do you know what I'm saying? So like instead of it, so here you have the different products, and then also the customers on the side. I thought it would be like it would just show the products, and then you can see who bought that product.
Yes, it is
Like it,
coming with the I just make it up level. So that is a project. That is a category. So one by one. So when I
okay.
click on one, it is a project.
Oh,
When I click once more, then it will come to the customer.
okay. So I see what I did. I double clicked.
You double click, that's why this is coming. You
That's why.
single click
That's why I went
once.
straight. You just gotta click
Check,
once.
check, check, check by yourself. Yes. Starting from the beginning. Yes. Like suppose this
Okay,
is there.
so
Now go to the produce goods.
let's go here.
Yes. So these are the categories, and when you
These are
move
the
down
customers,
for this particular product which you selected.
and then this is the product, and this is okay. Okay, yeah. So and you even see it in the top here, right? Total by category name in the corner. And
Yes.
then it adds product name, and then it adds product and customer, and then it adds customer. Okay, awesome.
And instead of customer, you can
Mm-hmm.
put the country also. Remove the customer and put the country. Remove the customer first.
Oh, remove the customer. Okay.
Leave it, leave it. I just manage it later on. Leave it.
Okay.
Remove the customer first. Remove the customer first. And take the country.
Ship country.
Yes, ship country. Now you do this same again.
So we go to the top.
It's
Produce.
these are the products. These are the country. In this product, these country contribute. So the maximum contribute in Germany
Yeah.
for this particular product.
Germany bought the most of that. Yeah, I can see how this is very powerful. I mean, it only took seconds to come up with these graphs, and it's like a different way of
This is the first. This is the first graph.
yeah.
You'll see Daniel so many interesting graphs. So
I'm
I hope you
sure like
understand this.
just like the simplicity of getting to this is kind of it's pretty impressive.
So this is my agenda because I basically want whoever is the participant who is learning, so learn 100% actually whatever he is learning. So do not learn 200 topics. Learn 2 topics, but in depth.
Right.
Fine. We have to work practically in corporate, in the company, real time environment. We have not given any exam sort of things, and we'll get an check by exam only. So I'm just taking your control back. I'm just doing myself. So this is done. Very much good.